let's see how to create pages of different sizes in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to add another page that is of a different size. Now let's go ahead to the Insert tab and click on Page Break. Now let's go ahead to the Layout tab and click on Page Setup. And right here, you will see that you can change the paper size. So for example, we want our paper size to be legal, and you'll see that that will automatically change the size of both pages. However, let's say that we want to change only one page. What we can do is simply click on Page Setup again. So currently we have it on legal paper size. Let's close this for a bit. And you'll notice that our cursor is currently in the second page. So let's go ahead and click on Page Setup again. And let's say we want the second page to be size A4. And we only want to apply it to that particular page or that point forward. Now click OK. And you'll see that our second page is now in size A4, while our first page is still in a legal size, as you can see with the difference in their dimensions right here. And that is how you can change the paper size of different pages in one document in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.